The new channel. See the new. The new channel. See the new. The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following show are those of the hosts, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello and welcome to the new channel, your daily source of live stream inspiration. My name is Lloyd Luna. This is The Big Picture. Hello everyone, good evening. Mona Brea, good evening. May babantayan si Mona Brea ngayong gabi. May inaabangan. Hey, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, kung nasa lupalo po kayo ng mundo. Magandang araw, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. June 10 po, araw ng Wednesday. Napaka-importanting araw po para sa akin. Maya-maya ay malalaman niyo kung bakit. Hi, Cho! Sa mga nakatutok na po sa ating stream, please share and organize watch parties para naman po medyo mapanood din tayo ng iba yung mga friends. O kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Tonight will be a very, very inspiring discussion. Kasi ang guest ko ay hindi lang basta gwapo, mistiso. O alam niyo na, di ba, sa big picture, hindi naman tayo nagdadala ng hindi gwapo or hindi maganda. So ito, mistiso yung guest natin tonight. Medyo babawas-bawasan ko yung aking introduction dahil meron akong mga videos na ipi-play. Pero ulitin po natin lahat ng mga nanonood na po ngayon nakatutok sa The Big Picture on the new channel. Please share our live stream. Paki-message po sa Viber, sa inyong mga messenger groups. Paki-post po sa inyong mga pages. Bahala na po ang Diyos na magbalik sa inyo ng blessing. Ayan, so ano kaya magandang unahin, no? Mga nagbe-birthday kaya, try nating batiin. Or mamaya natin batiin yung mga nagbe-birthday. Gusto niyo mamaya na? Gusto ko makakita ng comment na nagsasabing mamaya na batiin sa second gap yung birthday celebrators. Marami kasi sila at meron tayo bagong pakulo. TBP, the birthday person. Or the birthday people. Yun na isang segment na natin ngayon. Gabi-gabi po, babatiin natin yung mga nagbe-birthday. At hindi lang basta bate, lalagyan po natin ng konting animation. Sige, so mamaya na yung birthday greetings, ha? Nagko-comment na mamaya na rin birthday greetings. Hi Ma'am Susan, maraming salamat sa panonood, sa muling pagtutok. Gabi-gabi po kayo nandito. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil talagang avid viewer na namin kayo. Okay, sa kabila ng dahil sa mamaya nababatiin yung ating mga birthday celebrators, gusto kong batiin ang aking mga magulang sa kanilang wedding anniversary ngayong araw na ito. Syempre, hindi lang po ako basta babate dahil ako po ay may pakulo. Ito na po yung pakulo. Ayan, nanonood na yung mami ko from Australia. Hello, mami. Andiyan ba ang daddy? Dahil ipapalabas ko na yung aking pakulo. Ayan, nanonood na ba aking pamilya na ngayon ay nasa Australia? Sige, may replay naman Bakit ko ba kayo hihintayin? Ito na. Happy anniversary, Mama at Papa. May pakulo. May pasabog sa wedding anniversary ng parents. Makabawi-bawi po. Saka sana may pasalubong pag-uwi nila dito sa Pilipinas. Happy anniversary! Happy wedding anniversary! Next video na. Baka magalit sa atin si kasamang Mon Abrea. Napaka-importante ng susunod ko ipapalabas, ha? Lahat ng makikita niyo sa video ay talent. Artista at artistahin. Ito po ay pakikiisa ng TNC sa atin pong gobyerno para encourage kayong magbayad po ng buwis kung kinakailangan na at kung kaya na rin lang naman ay tayo po yung magkusa-kusa na. Comment ka muna, Sir Mon. Para ipalabas ko na, para makita kong nandyan, nanonood ka. Wala pang comment si Mon Abre. Wala na, may replay naman Good evening, Jen. Good evening, Roel. Viejo, kumusta ang inyong real estate selling ngayon? Panahon ito, nakakabawi na ba? Hello, Kay. How are you? Sana okay naman ang iyong ang iyong pamilya dyan sa Barangay Marulas. Saan ang Barangay Marulas? At okay, sige. So sinabihan ako ni Man Abrea na gwapo, so ipapalabas ko na yung kanyang yung kanyang clip. Enjoy everyone.
Let's do fast talk. Ready? Kanin tulog.
Kain.
Tulog.
Definitely kain because food is life.
Tulog.
Tulog.
Kain.
Kain.
Beer, soju.
Beer. Soju.
Beer.
Wala.
Beer!
Soju! Nakakalaki na siya ng beer eh. Soju ako para ma-K-pop tayo.
Ayoko ng beer. Ayoko ng soju.
Pampatulog, beer.
Soju.
Netflix, YouTube.
YouTube?
Ang hirap pumili. Netflix para sa K-drama and YouTube para sa BTS.
Pwede both?
Netflix.
Netflix. Netflix.
Netflix.
Exmo, BIR Examiner.
BIR Examiner.
Oh my God. BIR Examiner.
Para wala nang feelings. Wala nang...
Hindi ganun kahirap ang issue dun eh.
BIR Examiner na lang.
Tinatanong pa ba yan? Tito Boy, BIR examiner ang pipiliin ko.
Beer examiner na lang, kaya ko yun.
Ex ko.
Ex ko, syempre.
ML, COD.
ML.
Call of Duty ako.
Cooking Mama.
Candy Crush.
Pareho kung walang pipiliin dyan. Hindi ko alam ang mga games na yan. Ang inabot ko ay Counter-Strike at Sims pa.
Online game. Stock market. Mobile Legends.
Mobile Legends.
Araw, gabi.
Araw.
Love or money?
Love.
Yes or no? Does wealth matter?
Yes.
Yes or no? Does looks matter?
Yes.
Yes or no? Does size matter?
What size? Ayoko sagutin.
Ganda o yaman?
Ganda.
If you have wings, saan ka pupunta at bakit?
Sa Tacloban para makakain ulit ng binabot.
Death or taxes?
Taxes.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Best time for sex? Sex or chocolate?
Chocolates. Super daming chocolates.
You are at the pearly gates and God is there. And He says, bakit kita papapasukin sa langit?
Ako ay isang nanay.
Last question. Bakit tayo dapat magbayad ng buwis?
Get ready for the next battle.
I just want to explain the lifeblood theory of taxation. So, the existence of the government is a necessity. As a taxpayer, for them to build infrastructure such as buildings, schools, roads, bridges, and to provide or deliver good service to the Filipino people.
Nararapat lamang na magbayad tayo ng ating buwis dahil ito ay ating obligasyon bilang isang mamamayan ng bansang Pilipinas.
Kailangan pa rin nating magbayad ng tax kahit nasa gitna tayo ng pandemic. Bakit? This is our way of helping our government na matugunan ang pangangailangan ng bansa natin ngayon. para matugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga kapamilya natin at kababayan natin na naghihirap ngayong pandemic na ito. So kapamilya, huwag kalimutan ang obligasyon natin. Let us pay our taxes.
Bakit tayo dapat magbayad ng buwis? Bakit tayo dapat magbayad ng buwis?
It's being part of a responsible citizen, diba? I feel like if you really want to have a say in the ins and outs of government, it has to start with being a good citizen first. And paying taxes is actually one of the main responsibilities of being a good citizen, apart from, of course, voting. So I guess, it's something that we need to do. The issue of where the taxes go is part of who you vote for. So just be responsible with those decisions.
Yep. Ako kailangan magbayad ng tax kasi it is the right thing to do. You know?
Kailangan magbayad ng tax kasi yan ang ambag natin. Dapat magbayad ng tax kasi dapat maging mabubuting citizens pa rin tayo at para sa atin din naman.
As citizens, we're expected to pay our tax so that the money can go to where the country needs it most. And we expect the government to do the same.
Para sa akin, importante na magbayad tayo ng buwis dahil responsibilidad natin ito at para na rin makatulong tayo sa pag-unlad at ekonomiya ng ating bansa.
Sa akin, simple lang. Kung kumita ka naman at meron dapat bayaran na tax, sa tingin ko maliban sa obligasyon, tulong din natin to sa gobyerno para magawa nila kung ano yung kailangan lalo na ngayong COVID pandemic.
Alright! Nakita niyo ba yun? Nakita niyo ba yung aming pinasabog ngayon? Pinalabas namin ngayon? Ang video pa na napanood niyo galing po sa Asian Consulting Group. Compliment po yan ni Mona Brea, ating pong tax Swiss of the Philippines. Hindi, actually Asia. Mahina pag Pilipinas lang. Download niyo po yung kanilang application sa inyong Google Play, yung pong tax Swiss. Para po matulungan kayo ng application. Kung may mga question kayo about taxes, madali rin po kayo makapagtanong sa kanya. Okay, ano pa yung pasabog natin? Headlines po mula sa The Manila Times. Punta po kayo sa manilatimes.net for more news and information or i-download ang kanilang application sa digitaledition.manilatimes.net. Opo, medyo napahaba ating oras at ngawit na paghihintay ang ating guest. Okay, pasok na natin. President of Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation. Si JV Calleja po. Hello Sir JV, magandang hapon sa inyo at salamat sa pagpunta sa The Big Picture sa The New Channel.
Ay, magandang gabi sa iyo, Lloyd. It was quite a long time since nakita tayo.
Yeah, kasing haba ng hair mo ngayon kasi I heard 90 days ka nang.
More than 90 days, I think mga almost 100 days now. Because since the
100 days
time
na.
I was supposed to have my haircut, that was already almost 2 weeks. So in other words, talagang mahaba na ngayon eh. Pinakamahaba na tong hair ko since the time I was in high school.
Yeah, nung bagets ka pa, yung mga
Oh,
long hair,
yeah.
ang puso ko dati nung long hair nun. And then ngayon na lang
Oo.
naulit.
Ngayon na lang naulit. Kaya mukhang ayaw ko muna pagupito dahil naghahanap pa ako ng mga kabagay dito na attire. Yung aking bangbang at saka nick-nick shirts.
Yeah. Maraming salamat.
Hindi mo na maintindihan yun, no?
Hindi ko na maintindihan yun. Definitely out of
Hindi
my
mo
vocabulary na. Medyo malayo.
Exactly. Yeah.
Maybe we can have a translation from our stream viewers kung ano yung sinabi niyo to translate sa akin. But thank you again for coming to the big picture. We are honored that you're here to talk about interesting things about the shift in the way we're doing businesses, especially manufacturing, distribution, and nasa pharmaceuticals business ka. But before I even ask you about those shifts, I would like to ask you how you felt when you first heard about the supposed enhanced community quarantine. Ano yung unang reaction when you heard na magkakaroon ng ganitong scenario?
Well, I had always had a feeling magkakaroon ng shift towards healthcare. Kasi even early before the lockdown, nagkaroon ng mga announcements na nagkakaroon na ng COVID pandemic sa China. So we thought now we have to prepare the manufacturing of our vitamins because, well, we always believe that the immune system is always the target for viral infection. So if our immune system is strong enough, then we can always defend ourselves from viral infection. So even as early as Feb of this year, we started to prepare the manufacturing of vitamins. And well, of course, we believe that vitamin C would be the best vitamins for this purpose. Kaya medyo natuwa kami, but hindi natuwa dahil sa nagkaroon ng pandemic, but natuwa kami because we are prepared for that. We have enough raw materials, we have enough packaging materials to be ready for a sudden increase in the demand for these products.
Pero
we were happy that we were prepared.
Have you anticipated na ganito katagal? I mean, never na nangyari sa history, di ba?
Yes. Oo, actually, we only thought that it will only be about a few weeks. And when we learned about that it was extended to another week and it became 1 month, then another month, then we were already worried about the future of the manufacturing in the country, especially that it's going towards a new kind of normal. And actually, we were not so prepared for that because the new normal, as we have realized, is becoming to be on the digital platform. And most of the sales are being generated now through the online business.
Yeah, that's very fascinating to know kasi walang naging handa. And pagdating dun sa inyong business, which is manufacturing, 'di ba talagang tao to distribution tao din. And then all of a sudden parang sabihin mo sarado lahat. Okay, what was the emotional ride? Kung nagkaroon ka ng emotional ride, although alam ko naman na hindi ka naman na-contain sa bahay kasi meron kang special pass.
Meron ako dito.
Nasaan yan?
Ito.
Patingin?
Okay. Ito. Yeah, may DTI pass ako.
Yan ang hinahanap ko. Patin mo ko. Hindi mo ko.
Sinabi mo sana sa akin, I could have shared with you a pass like this, you know.
Consultant of Compact.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know kung magiging tama yung question ko because I have been asking this question sa mga guests kasi lahat sila talagang na-lock din talaga sa loob ng bahay. So for many of them, there was really a roller after emotional ride. So that means na hindi stable yung pakiramdam, mentality medyo challenged din. So dumaan ka ba dun sa ganung experience?
In reality, not much. But napansin ko yung mga tao sa loob ng bahay namin are experiencing that kind of emotional difficulties to accept what's happening. Kasi biglaan eh. And until now, it is still happening. Kaya medyo napapansin ko, with the people around you affected, you are little by little affected as well. But since I continue to be active in really managing the manufacturing here and of course the distribution, I felt that these emotional difficulties to cope with the situation is becoming to be just a normal thing for us now. And we are also managing the emotional ride with all our employees. That's why every Friday of every week, those who can complete the 5 days work, they receive food subsidy from us, and that appears in our Facebook in Compact. That every Friday, all of them receive this food
yan
subsidy
ang
from us.
talagang TGIF. Yan ang gusto kong TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's food.
Thank God it's food. It's food for everybody. Dahil gusto namin sila encourage na this pandemic is something that we can fight. We can heal as one. We can fight as one. So no problem. No need to be so worried about it. No?
How difficult is it to adjust as a leader noong old days na seemingly normal yung situation, managing the business, running the business, leading people, and all of a sudden parang biglang naging remote, hindi mo na makita sila physically, you cannot even go dun sa office spaces ninyo na nandun din sila. What was the adjustment like?
Well, the adjustment was tough, but we felt that we have the advantage kasi mas maliit kaming kumpanya compared to other big pharmaceutical companies. So most of them are in total lockdown. In other words, their employees are not out in the field. Their employees are not working in their factories. They are not manufacturing. So we saw the opportunity to get into the market. And now I can say confidently that we are now one of the leading vitamin company in the country. In fact, in a few weeks from now, we might be the leading vitamin company in the Philippines. Because of this gap. We saw the gap and we fill in the gap, and we have all the resources to fill the gap at the moment that it happened.
So before even further talking about the gap and the shift na mangyayari or nakikita niyong pupuntahan ng business ninyo, let's talk about Compact and Zeus as a company. Is it Zeus or Zeus? How do you pronounce it? Depends kung anong trip?
Depends kung anong trip. Dahil many times, if I'm talking to some people, I would say it's Zeus, pero hindi naiintindihan. So I would say, when I say Zeus, they will answer me, is it Zeus? Sila pa ang nagko-correct tuloy sa akin. Okay lang yun. But it's something that, naging talking points sa umpisa tuloy, especially when we introduce the company.
Okay.
And of course, Zeus is a vital part of Compact as its distribution arm.
So Compact is the manufacturing. Compact is the manufacturing, and then Zeus is the distribution.
Yes. In fact, we also do services for new companies abroad or some people who would like to start their own small business in marketing. Since they still don't have the licenses and the permits from FDA, we provide them the platform so they can use Zeus as the platform for their operation, and we deal with Compact. So you will see that their products would be under Zeus in the meantime that they're still trying to secure their licenses and permits. And later on, pag nakita nila na lumalaki na yung negosyo nila, they go independent and go directly to Compact. So that's the role of Zeus.
Okay, maganda yung connection ng businesses, no. But personally, bakit dito ka napunta sa negosyong ito? I mean, you could have been a great actor, model, maybe. Bakit dito? This is something na parang hindi naman tago, pero yung itsura mo kasi, sinabi ko na kanina sa sa stream viewers, pang artista eh. Masayang eh. Ako yung supposed to be dapat nandyan.
Sobra naman yun. But,
okay, pero serious question is why this business?
Well, you know, I started with the pharmaceutical industry since many years ago. Kaya, well, over the years, I tried to venture into some other businesses, like I ventured into dealership of some cars from Korea. I was the exclusive dealer of Kia Motors in the Bicol region, and I also experimented on going into mining business, and I also went into real estate business, which until now we are still into that business. But nonetheless, my focus and my expertise, I know, is still in the pharmaceutical business. That's why now we are experiencing a kind of new success level. That means we have to continue from here and improve our advantages now as a manufacturing distribution company.
Nagsasalita na naman ako lang yung nakakarinig. Naghihintay pa naman ako ng sagot. Paano ka nga naman sasagot kung hindi mo naman narinig yung tanong?
Oo nga naman.
Alright. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo na hindi ka naalis dyan sa industry na yan?
Hindi na siguro until I retire in the next 2 years from now.
In 2 years?
Before,
no way.
Next few years.
Okay.
Few years, probably pag naging senior citizen na ako eh.
Malayo pa yun. Malayo pa yun.
Of course.
The last time I heard you were 32?
Talaga magkaibigan tayo, Lloyd. Kaibigan talaga tayo.
I mean, 1932. 1932, you were born in 1932.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Wala of course, I will pursue this line of business, and at the same time also try to look into some opportunities that are most likely related to this. And well, because my family before was engaged in the real estate business, that's why I am also trying now to learn about development, real estate development. And
yeah, okay.
That's what we started just many months ago before this lockdown happened. And of course, with this new development, I think we have to slow down on the pharmaceutical. Slow down on the real estate business for a while.
Sige, may question in the audience, Arnold Tanawan, how important e-commerce is in pharmaceuticals industry with our current situation. Do you think PH Pharmaceuticals is ready? So sasagutin mo yan, sir, sa pagbabalik ng The Big Picture on the new channel. Wag po kayo alis, ha? Diyan lang kayo, walang iwanan. Mayroong tanong na hindi ko nasasagot. Diyan lang kayo, diyan lang. Ha? Walang iwanan dito, bawal iwan.
Walang iwanan. Okay.
Babalik po ang The Big Picture.
Every day. We need power every day. Are you ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Beauty is power.
We rise as one. leave the pain behind. For the future is bright. Know that we are here to help you rise again. The new channel. See the new.
Welcome back to the big picture on the new channel. Hello, Sir Phrase. Hello, Arnold again. Patricia, how are you? Alma, Jane De La Rosa is watching. Siya po yung nagbenta sa akin ng aking Toyota na kotse. Kay, how are you? Si Kay is excited daw na mapanood ang kanyang boss JV watching from her home. So baka hindi pa ito nakakasahod, kaya excited pa. Mamaya tatanungin natin si boss kung napasahod ka na kasi nanonood baka dito kayo nagkita. Arnold Tanawan again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Erlyn, hello din. Sino pa bang mga nito? Ira, how are you? Kumusta pagbebenta? Sir Gabriel Billy Dominguez, the salespreneur, master salespreneur, is also here on the stream watching. All right. So, yung susunod kong ipapalabas bago ko ipasok sa Sir JV at sagutin yung tanong ng ating stream viewer is hindi ko alam kung mayroon tong sound. Kung walang sound, di next time lalagyan namin ng sound. In the meantime, kailangan nyo siyang makita kasi ito yung ating TBP segment, no? The birthday people. So, kung walang sound, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Hindi siya technical difficulty, kundi hindi lang namin nalagyan ng sound. Okay, so panoorin niyo po. Happy birthday sa mga taong nandito. Ayan na, kung naririnig nyo ako, napakasaya naman, no? Ang saya-saya naman ng confetti natin. May sound pero confetti lang. But maraming blessings ang sana makuha nyo ngayong taong ito. Sheldon! Ayun o, ilang taon na? 10 years old na ba si Sheldon? Ayun o, ang cute-cute. Ayan ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan nating ilagay sa second gap ang ating TBP, the birthday people. Alright, so next time, ano na yon? May kanta na yan. May kanta na next time pero maganda 'di ba? May pa-birthday ang TNC. Nagulat naman ako. Okay. Maraming salamat sa pa-birthday pa-birthday pabongga greeting mula sa Puzzle Box BPO Inc. So yung pong gumagawa niyan at gagawa niyan from here on forward ay galing po sa Puzzle Box BPO Inc. All right. So balikan natin si Sir JV Calleja is president of Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation and at the same time founder director ng Zeus Zeus Resources Incorporated. All right, welcome back, boss.
Yeah. Yes. About the e-commerce.
About the e-commerce, yeah. Are we ready? Sabi ni tanong ni Arnold.
Yes, Lloyd. In fact, well, thank you Arnold for that question dahil yan din ang pinag-isipan ko nung nangyari to dahil I am a pharmaceutical marketing guy from the start and I realized that the only way to promote products before is really to see doctors in their clinics, in the hospitals, and sometimes we have to group them together for some dine-outs and product presentations, but this time it's not possible. So e-commerce is the way to go. Is the way to go. Now I would see that the future medical representatives will have to know how to be bloggers, to blog and detail their products online. And I think that's the only way to deliver the message to doctors because in the industry of ethical marketing in pharmaceuticals, the only way really to promote products is through a face-to-face, shoulder-to-shoulder encounter with with a doctor. But this time, it's not possible at all.
Mm.
Maybe you want to go to a clinic, but the doctor will not allow you to see him in his clinic or anywhere else, even in his house. Now, the
Kasi
only way really is
it's because of the health protocols that was put up.
yes, exactly, exactly. And even it will continue up to the end of the year, and maybe it will become the new normal. So,
Mhm.
eto ang nakikita ko dito. So, e-commerce now will become a very important part of the portfolio in doing ethical marketing. So you cannot anymore sell the products just through face to face, and you cannot just visit the doctors in the hospitals. So it should go through the online platform, and that's the
Ano,
e-commerce that we are talking about.
ano yung impact niya doon sa kabuhayan ng mga sales reps as far as distribution is concerned? Kasi kung mag-shift and you're telling us na kailangan maging vloggers kayo, kailangan maging masanay kayo doon sa bagong platform, now we are selling online. Anong impact niya, immediate impact niya doon sa mga tao, sales reps particularly?
Well, for one, the sales reps and medical representatives of big pharma are well compensated. That's not a problem. But I don't know if they're going to have a reduction in their compensation pay. And well, the incentive scheme is also good. And I think it will still be okay for the sales reps and the medical representatives to go in a different marketing platform. It's all just about the compensation. But I think people will always need medicines. They always need pharmaceutical products. They need even the food supplements.
Mhm.
And the sales will continue. It will not at all stop. But it now will go into a different way of promoting these products and selling these products.
Mhm.
It cannot be the same again.
Because if that's what you're thinking, it's probably the same thing that other pharmaceuticals companies are actually thinking. So lahat pupunta sa online platform.
I think so. I think so. Because there's no other way. There's no other way to go to the doctors and introduce a new product, for example. How will it be introduced except through an online platform or
I have
e-commerce?
we have actually a solution for that. If you want to ask me,
Mhm.
I can actually
Yeah.
give you an answer.
Please do.
Okay. Anytime from now, a few days or a few weeks from now, we are going to launch the press con on TNC. So the press con is like the press conference that we used to have prior to the pandemic. Gagawin namin ngayon na platform yung TNC para dun magkaroon product launching. How does it
Ang
sound?
ganda. Perfect. Yan ang hinihintay natin eh. Yan ang gusto ko sa iyo eh. Napakarami mong solutions sa mga ganito, no? In fact, we were waiting for those kind of platforms, in fact, this TNC, I was so excited when I first saw that you are launching this TNC because sabi ko, eto na yun. Nagbabago na talaga yung old normal into the new normal. So, well, but we don't know the effect of this if, how doctors will respond to this kind of platform. Because, of course, many doctors are still the old and veteran doctors that they wouldn't like really to go into this kind of meetings.
Oo.
Like
Tama ka naman dyan,
Zoom
Sir
meetings
JV.
like this.
Tama ka dyan, Sir JV, kasi may mga inilo-launch nga. Some other companies are trying to launch yung parang consultation through app, mga ganon. And then yung mga doctors, some doctors are still refusing to adapt to the normal, which is basically technology based, no? So importante lahat ito. So hindi lang mag-a-adjust yung distributorship ninyo or yung distribution system ninyo, process na manufacturing. Lahat ng mga connected doon, including yung mindset at mentality ng mga doctors, kailangan ding mag-adjust. So lahat mag-a-adjust, right?
That's exactly the point, because it's the adjustment period that we are going to be dealing here. How long will they be able to adjust to a new system of understanding new products? It can be a conference that you will launch here in TNC, and how many doctors will be able to be contacted with this kind of platform. Now, another one is there is still a fight between, this kind of platform is, in a way, goes away from the ethical marketing type. Because when we say ethical marketing, it should not be advertised, or it should not be broadcasted in a platform like this, especially in the mainstream media. So iniiwasan nila itong ganitong klaseng platform. But this time, I think there's no other solution except to go through this. And when you say
lahat naman eh.
Oo, kasi bawal eh. In fact, many months before this lockdown, pharmaceutical companies have been talking about being strict on promotions, especially following some special marketing codes that they do not go beyond that. In fact, bawal nga mag-t-shirt tapos may pangalan ng produkto doon, yung brand ng produkto. Bawal leave ng mga mag-iwan ng mga marketing materials, bawal mag-sampling, etc., etc. But with this kind of platform, it now totally changes the whole rules of the game. Kaya magkakaroon ngayon ng acceptance from probably the whole industry whether this kind of platform is acceptable or not. But of course, we don't have problems with that because our products now most of it are drug OTC. In other words, vitamins is classified as drug OTC.
For sure,
pwede itong platform na to.
For sure, walang problema dun sa quality ng product. I mean, if it's compact, Zeus manufactured, or compact manufactured, Zeus distributed, I'm sure walang question dyan because I have tried some of your products and they work.
Of course, thank you.
Ang problema ko lang,
Thank you.
quarantine, walang dumating sa akin, Mr. JV Calleja.
Sige, ito na, nakahanda na nga dito. Yun, nakahanda na dito. Mamili ka na lang ng mga brands na gusto mo. Yan, ito yan. Oh, yan. Mamili ka na lang. Yan ang mga quality products namin.
Yan, tingnan nga tayo, papalakihin ka namin para makita natin. Yan. Yan,
ito. Ito, one of the best-selling vitamin C in the market now.
Sodium ascorbate.
Katapat niyan ito rin, di ba? Yeah, sodium ascorbate. And ito ang sumisikat din ngayon. Yan. Hindi ito ecstasy. This is extra C, the real vitamin C.
Alkaline C. Vitamin C with alkaline.
No, this is, it's alkaline-based. And of course, vitamin C should be taken in a high dose because of the absorption. Now, ordinary vitamins will have difficulty of the absorption and difficulty of taking in at a high dose because of gastric irritation.
Sige, didiscuss natin para may time pa. Kasi nagagalit na si Sheila. Nagagalit na kasi si Sheila. Kilala mo ba si Sheila?
Sheila? Yeah, yung mga tao namin dito.
Please greet our production workers here at Compact. Doing overtime to provide
magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Naghihintay sila nitong exposure na to since kaninang umaga. Excited silang lahat. Kaya there are about 50 of our workers here, watching this show right now.
Si Macy ay she's watching from home. Kaya lang Zeus naman, employee ng Zeus.
Yes.
Hindi ko lang kung saan siya nanonood, pero more power to Zeus. Okay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga employees ninyo. Kayo ay hindi tumigil ng operation, no? I mean,
hindi kami tumigil. Totoo 'yun. From the first day of the lockdown or the quarantine, the ECQ, tuloy-tuloy kami hanggang sa ngayon. In fact, kaya andito ngayon ako sa plant. Meron kaming second shift ngayon because we are going overtime just to meet the heavy demand of vitamins, especially vitamin C.
Okay, so hindi kayo nag-retrench?
In fact, nagkakaroon pa nga kami ng konting backlog sa aming mga
Okay, medyo nagkakaroon lang ng konting technical difficulty dito sa dito kay Sir JV. So in the meantime, babatiin ko muna yung mga nanonood nandito pa din hanggang ngayon. Cheska, proud compact baby. Ano ibig sabihin ng proud compact baby? Cheska, ano ibig sabihin nun? Diyan ka pinanganak? Or Cheska Openya, compact baby, what does it mean? Paliwanag mo sa amin. Syempre si Sheila, yan, paulit-ulit na lang. Production. Alright, production team. Great going, everyone sa production overtime. Maraming salamat sa serbisyo ninyo. For sure, hindi enough yung nasasahuran lang kayo. Syempre, yung pagpasok nyo dyan or kahit nag-stay kayo dyan, laging at risk yung inyong health. So, mag-ingat kayo. We are praying for you. Maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo. This goes beyond dun sa paycheck na tinatanggap ninyo. For sure, hindi kakayanin na kahit na magkaanong ibibigay sa inyo. But we want you to know, the entire TNC family, the Big Picture, our show here tonight, nagwi-wish na sana lagi kayong maging okay at lagi kayong ligtas. I'm sure yung company niyo naman ay very particular dyan sa safety ninyong lahat dyan. So maraming salamat Sheila and the entire manufacturing team ng Compact. Okay, sino pa? Sino pa ang may mga question dyan? Copy-paste lang to si Sheila. Very proud to be part of Zeus Resources Incorporated and Compact Pharmaceutical. Newly hired. Kailan ka na-hire, Kay? Kasi karamihan is nagre-retrench na company. So, kailan ka na-hire? If you can share, magandang mapag-usapan natin yan. 7.3 million Filipinos na po ang jobless as reported by the government na nawalan ng trabaho because of this global pandemic. Sige, so newly hired. Kailan ka na-hire at bakit ka na-hire? At ano yung role mo sa Compact kay Inopia? Okay, so nag-grow. Okay, si Cheska, yung kaninang Compact baby, dyan ka na nag-grow. So anong height mo na ngayon? Height talaga yung tinanong. Diyan ka nag-grow, ibig sabihin, paano? First job mo sa Compact, and then how many years ka nang nandyan kung dyan ka na lumaki? Good evening, Sir Lloyd, and more power, sabi ni Mick Andoy. Okay, good. So maganda yung discussion natin ngayon because medyo technical ito, but ito yung hindi nakikita at hindi na di-discuss openly sa mga media outfits, no? Kasi pharma kasi ito, pharma business, and malaki yung role na ginagampanan nila doon sa pagbangon natin ngayon because kailangan natin ng vitamins, kailangan natin yung mga gamot. So sila yon, yung Compact saka yung Zeus as distributor. Okay, bago ko ipasok at nakabalik na sa ating studio si Sir JV, May 26 daw na hire si Kay Inopia. So very proud siya. Can you imagine, nagtatanggalan yung ibang mga nagre-retrench yung ibang mga companies, and Compact or Zeus nag-open pa ng trabaho, no? So Kay, isa sa mga natanggap no May 26. Ay, mahalin mo yung trabaho na yan. Kaya 7.3 million nawala ng trabaho, ikaw nakakuha ka. So sana kaparehas ka ni Cheska, diyan na kayo lumaki parehas, ha? Diyan na kayo mag-grow. And then sabi ni Apple, kaya jobless ang iba kasi ino-offer mo ng work tapos biglang nawawalang parang bula. May mga ganun din. Ibig sabihin may mga attitude din. Oo, in-offeran mo na, hindi na kontento, so biglang nawala. Oh, awol. Alright, so let's bring back JV Calleja is president of Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation and founder. President ka rin ba ng Zeus Resources Incorporated or director?
Yes. But we have to put more focus now in Compact. Kaya nag-plan muna ako. Umalis muna ako sa Zeus. But I'm still looking into the operations of Zeus. Kasi, we share the same headquarters anyway.
Okay,
but
sure.
Just for
magkatabi yung logo mo sa likod. Yeah. Magkatabi yung logo mo sa likod.
Oo nga. Di ba?
Hindi ka makakawala sa shadow. Literally sa shadow ng dalawang companies na yan.
Correct.
Okay, Kay, of course, definitely, Sir Lloyd, we will grow old here. Imarkahan nyo na si Kay Inopia, ha? Wala nang alisan yan dyan sa, dyan sa company nyo. May follow-up question si Arnold, if we can answer his question. What would be the future of ethical promotion in pharmaceutical industry?
Yun. Well, ethical promotion, yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, Lloyd, na that's the way pharmaceutical companies would promote their products, especially those prescribed products. Yung mga kailangan i-prescribe ng doktor. Kasi hindi ka bibigyan ng isang drugstore ng medicine, ng gamot, kapag walang prescription yan galing sa doktor. Kaya ang tawag dyan, we do ethical marketing. We cannot market the product in commercially. Like, we cannot even set up advertisements over even the social media, the mainstream media, or even billboards, no? Pero with the new developments now, hindi ko alam kung paano ito ma-modify dahil imposible na mag-introduce ng produkto ngayon sa bagong setup, especially if doctors will not allow medical representatives to visit them, even in their clinics or even in a restaurant, just to promote the product, because that's the only way. And there's even a survey that says that the most effective way to promote the product is still through the med reps, the relationship they build and everything, no?
Yeah, we understand that, pero where are we going from here? I mean, who is gonna decide kung alin na yung maging ethical, and if i-allow na kayo to go to social media, send via email marketing, or advertisement through social streams, for example, kagaya ng TNC. So who's gonna decide? Is it something na kailangan may rubber stamp na rule and the guidelines?
Siguro, because for one, it will be the FDA who will make the policy now kung pwede na ito i-promote through a media like this, you know? And pwede na ba ito promote through TNC or any kind of commercially based platform. Now, sa tingin ko, they will allow it to some degree because that's the only way. Like what you proposed, that there will now be a conference for doctors that, you know, when a product is going to be launched, and that's the way the information can be disseminated to all these doctors, especially for new products. Okay lang kung luma ng produkto ito, because it's just all about reminders, no? And I think there will be many products that will now be classified as drug OTC or over the counter. Pag over the counter na yan, pwede mo na yan i-promote sa radyo, pwede mo na yan i-promote sa social media or billboards, no? Pero hanggat hindi pa yan na-classify as such, now there will be a very strict way or guideline to really promote the product. Pero we wait for that kind of policy.
Sa circle mo, you're hearing na mga na nagdi-discuss na pabilisin yung pagpa-process. I don't know that the process kung paano yung magiging over-the-counter ang isang drug or vitamins. So, napapag-usapan na ba na magkakaroon ng adjustment, either pabilisin or yung pagiging over-the-counter ng drug, or magkakaroon ng shift sa the way that you're marketing the product, especially kung bago pa?
Wala pa naman talaga. Hindi pa nagtatawag ng pagpupulong ang FDA o kahit anong ahensya ng gobyerno, kahit DOH, to address this issue. Pero sa tingin ko, very soon, there will be a way to discuss this with the concerned government agencies. Especially itong regulatory part of the business.
Yeah. I mean, pagbangon so recovery importante sa lahat ma-activate. So for sure, hindi pa pwedeng hindi mapansin. I mean, kailangan very agile for sure yung dyan, yung magiging decision.
Totoo yun, Lloyd. In fact, I'm also very happy with the government now kasi napakabilis nila magbigay ng solutions to recommendations of any industry, especially the pharmaceutical industry. We realized na itong sa pagpaparegister ng mga produkto ngayon, since many people would need vitamins to improve their immune system, the boosting of their immune system. Now, napakabilis ang registration ngayon ng vitamins, from vitamin C to vitamin C plus zinc or vitamin C plus vitamin D3, all these kind of vitamins that can have more or less proven way of improving the immune system.
Are these locally manufactured?
Yes. Kaya we are very proud to say na we are supporting heavily the call of government to buy made in the Philippines. Kasi lahat ito made in the Philippines. No? Kaya we are very, very proud of saying that these products are really Philippine made. No? So you will also be happy. Our customers will also be so happy to be buying made in the Philippines.
Sige. Okay. May question lang.
And I would also, by the way, Lloyd.
Sige po, go ahead. Okay. Meron kang ipapahabol? May sasabihin ka pa? Bago kayo.
Well, I would also like to commend yung help ng DOST ngayon, because they're very, very helpful now, assisting us in the development of our products, especially in the manufacturing sector. In fact, they're also offering assistance in how we can even make our production more efficient. So we hope that they can be here with us when we expand our business in some other part, because our compound here is too small for additional machinery. So we hope to have the expansion somewhere in Central Luzon.
Sige, for sure magkakaroon yan. Sir JV from NES, is it possible to resell your products? Meron ka ng reseller dito. Huwag ka munang sasagot.
Yes.
Huwag ka munang sasagot. Mamaya may paliwanag. Meron pa maghanap buhay muna ako.
Sige.
Meron akong papasok ng commercial lang. Magbabalik po on the big picture on the new channel. Diyan lamang po kayo. Welcome back. You're still watching The Big Picture on the new channel. All right. Still with me is JV Calleja, the president of Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation. Okay, so bago tayo mag-break, meron tayong hind question. Possible daw ba na mag-resell si Nes Argame? Taga saan ka, Nes? Para malaman namin. But anyway, generally, pwede mag-resell ng product mo?
Oh yes. Pero yun na nga ang kwan dito, ang medyo may konting complexity dito, because technically speaking, bawal ang isang reseller na walang license to operate. That means wala siyang lisensya, wala siyang business permit, and wala siyang license to operate to sell a drug product like vitamin C. No? So yan ang technically tama na dapat masundan. Kaya nga dito pumapasok ang role ng Zeus Resources, because Zeus Resources is the one that provides a platform for any reseller to sell the product online. Yan ang plan. Compact ang gagawa ng produkto, and it will be Zeus who will be
Distribute.
selling the product to the reseller. Yeah, that should be
Okay.
understood well.
Okay.
Pero hindi pwedeng diretso from compact to the
Oo.
reseller.
Okay, so Nes, ipopost siguro namin later on sa comment stream kung paano siya makapag-get in touch sa Zeus, no? Kasi doon siya kukuha. Okay. Nes is from Antipolo. Okay, last question ni Arnold. Some pharmaceutical companies are requesting to stop the implementation of MDRP, especially in this time of pandemic. What is MDRP and what's your thoughts on this?
Well, definitely yes, because most of the products under the MDRP are imported products. No? I would say that ang problema ngayon is the supply coming from other countries. And there are many countries like it's the headquarters of this big pharma. So probably the government would say that to avoid a possible difficulty of buying these products, and they would suspend first this MDRP. This is the price regulation for products that are used on a regular basis, especially those for maintenance like diabetes, hypertension, and even for psoriasis, no? Wherein these are products that you use on a continuously basis, no? Like for example, day to day, especially for skin problems wherein you have flare-ups that will last for about many weeks, and it comes again some other time. So ito ang mga tinatawag natin na used on a regular basis.
Okay, let's talk about a bit dun sa shift na mangyayari, ano, because I think you're doing fine, you're doing great as far as your companies are concerned. However, what do you think of the business environment in general when we talk about rebuilding businesses one day at a time? How do you think they should go about it?
The way I see it is that, well, it's all about a natural tendency for businesses to come back from the difficulty that they have experienced during the community lockdown, the community quarantine, because there are many industries that will be forever be affected. Like I would say, it's the restaurant and food industry. Some food products will have definitely a great difficulty of coming back. But there are businesses wherein there's no other way but to come back, especially those that are really needed every day. Like, for example, in construction will definitely bounce back because definitely the housing requirement is still a need for the Philippine population right now. And secondly, it's the groceries, the retail, the drugstores, and all other industries that you cannot live without it. But there are some industries probably that you can live without it. I think some luxury kinds of industry, like going to the resorts.
When was the last time you wore your Rolex?
Just a few months ago.
Diba? Parang all of a sudden yung sinasabi mong luxury, parang I was talking to a real estate sales director and sabi niya yung mga clients niya parang nagsisisi na yung pinabili niya yung mga Chanel, yung mga, I mean, yung mga branded mga designers bags and things like that, parang dapat binili nilang condo or ng house and lot, and then mas naging okay.
Totoo yun. Makita mo ngayon sa e-commerce, ang daming nagbebenta ng mga kanilang Rolex, kanilang mga biniling motorsiklo, even yung kanilang bagong biniling kotse. Probably because, they find it not the right time to have it. This is not the right time to have it.
And ano naman,
many would say,
acceptable naman yun kasi di natin inasahan na ganito for sure. Yung mga hindi na makapagbayad or makapaghulog, kailangan na lang i-dispatch. Okay, final
Mhm.
question. What do you think is the big picture, despite the things that are happening around? What's the big picture? What are you seeing that probably most people don't?
Well, we see is the big picture is really in the change that's going to happen. It's a new normal. In fact, I was talking to one of our principal abroad, and they seem not to understand that there is really a new normal that's going to happen, especially here in the Philippines. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening in Europe right now because the one that I was talking to was in Europe. But the way they see it is that things are still normal in Europe. But here in the Philippines, I see that there will really be a big change. So there will be new businesses that will definitely be a big hit right now. In fact, what I see now is the online businesses are going to be the big hit now and the future, especially now that we are getting some contracts with big online companies.
Mhm.
I don't want to mention it right now because we haven't yet signed the contract, but this is as big as probably going to be as big as like Lazada or Alibaba or what. This is some new business tycoons getting into this business, the online business, the
Wow.
e-commerce business.
Wow.
So
We're
I think
excited to
this is the
see
big picture now.
yeah.
Yeah,
We're
this is the
excited
big
to see
picture.
where that is going.
Oh yes, yes. In fact, I was so happy that you are in this platform now, Lloyd, because this is the way to go. Nakakatuwa talaga dahil you are really addressing the issue uh, just at the right time. No?
Mm.
Napakaganda ng timing mo.
Yeah,
Kaya
because
yun,
we thought this is really something that we should be talking about. I mean, we understand numbers of death, fatalities. We understand na nandiyan pa rin yung banta ng COVID-19. But we also understand
mhm.
that we should be having conversations na kung paano tayo mag-move forward. And I think all the more we need to have shows like this na kung paano tayo kung paano tayo babawi. Doon tayo sa recovery, di ba? I mean, alam naman natin yung mga facts na eh.
Very
Sa
true, very true.
dwell tayo in the past and then we have to set our eyes nga dun sa future which you are
Mhm,
making.
mhm.
So hopefully yung deal is masay na at kung masay na yan, let us be the first to know.
Yes, 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 definitely. Yeah.
Okay, so where do they get in touch with you if they need for example, I'm a company, can I commission compact to manufacture for me?
Oh yes, oh yes. In fact, that made us what we are now because nung medyo nakikita namin na maraming gustong pumasok sa distribution at saka marketing of pharmaceutical products, and they would like their own products, their own brand names. Now, we feel that we have to give them a break because nung araw, yun din ang gusto kong gawin. Wala lang akong makuha isang manufacturer na tsatsagain ako, tsatsagain kami, yung grupo namin, at saka pagbibigyan kami ng sarili namin produkto. So nakita ko yung pagkakataon na yun, the opportunity really to help small entrepreneurs who would like to set up their own business. And later on, probably they can think of manufacturing themselves. But kaya ang ginawa ko kaagad is really to strengthen our research and development in the company and make sure that whatever product the client would like to have, we are ready with a quick research and development to make this product available. And ito naman ay very affordable way to introduce a new product in the market. We are not yet going into the high-end product lines like those that can treat other diseases, but we are really focusing on vitamins and those that can improve the immune system because, well, this is the easier way to go at the moment. But the moment we have enough resources, maybe we can go into research of more sophisticated illnesses. But at the
Okay.
moment, dito muna kami.
Yeah. Numbers, website, Facebook, where can they get in touch with you?
Well, we have our own Facebook page.
Allowed ba yun?
Allowed June. Allowed June. In fact, our Facebook page Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation. It's a page you can easily go into and tell us what you need, and we'll give you, the proper guidance on how to start your own business. Be a entrepreneur, start your own small marketing company, and soon enough you will be as big as us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Curious question. For as low as how much? Kumbaga, magkano para makapagpagawa ako sa inyo
Well,
na
we can assist. Actually, we can start with with a 250,000 capital. You can start with having your own product.
So nandiyan na
But
yun.
of course, yeah, nakakuha na yan. We will register the product for you. We will build the brand. We will try to come up with a nice layout of your packaging, and you can start your business. In fact, ang isa namin pinaka malakas na kliyente, a client group, are the networking companies.
Yeah.
We are now the favorite of networking companies because we can deliver to them the goods that they desire, the kind of goods that can be marketed through a very unique way of promoting the product.
Yeah.
So, well,
direct
this
sales,
is
multi-level.
direct selling. Direct selling.
Maganda yon kasi local supporting local. So I guess timely din.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir JV Calleja, for gracing our show. Maraming salamat sa pag-inspire sa amin at pagbigay sa amin ng mga tips, no? At pagsagot sa mga questions, legitimate questions. They are not planted questions. Maraming salamat sa pagbigay sa amin ng insights mo ngayong gabi.
Maraming salamat din, Lloyd. And I wish to be again a guest of this channel sometime.
Okay,
for sure. Something new to share.
Oo, lagi naman meron. Kaya nga the new channel. So, babalik kami bago. Ito po ang channel na hindi naluluma.
Yan. By the way, I would like to commend your introduction. Napakaganda nung kwan mo introduction on taxation, because talagang kailangan natin. And it makes me smile dahil just few days ago nakapagbayad na kami ng tax namin. And nakakatuwa naman dahil when you feel you're able to help the government, and you would like to encourage other companies to do so, other businesses to do so.
Oo. Okay, sir. Oo. That's from ACG, or Asian Consulting Group. So Simon Abrea and many others nandun sa ano. They're advocating talaga.
Congratulations, Mon. Ang galing ni Mon. Ang galing nung pakagawa ng video.
Okay, good. So maraming salamat, JV Calleja. Idol ko po ito. Pag-usapan natin yung iba pang mga issues.
Mas idol kita, Lloyd.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa The Big Picture. Okay, and then yung mga tao natin dyan, safe lahat yan. Papag-pray natin syempre yung mga yan, safety talaga nila. That's number one, kasi sila yung hindi tumitigil. Yung mga frontliners hindi tumitigil nandyan. Hindi natin nakikita, sabi ko kanina, it may not be enough na bibigyan ka ng paycheck or additional incentives, food, etc. But we know walang katumbas na pera or kung ano man ibibigay yung ginagawa nilang sakripisyo sakripisyo at serbisyo sa Pilipinas, for sure. Okay. Okay, good.
Maraming salamat.
Hindi na matapos-tapos itong pasasalamat natin, Sir J. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
JV Calleja is president of Compact Pharmaceuticals Corporation. At syempre bago ako matapos, meron ako i-share ulit. All right, happy Father's Day, Ernesto, by Barber Boy, 25% off. Pwede kayo mag-avail ng home service. So puntahan nyo kailang Facebook or Instagram page. At for sure na doon yung mechanics. Ernesto by Barber Boy, 25% off. Pwede kayo bumili ng GC And then pwede lang ipa-deliver yata sa inyo via courier. Oo, and then sige. So Ernesto by Barber Boy. So tapusin ko na 'yan dahil gusto kong gusto ko pong manawagan. gusto ko pong manawagan, parang awan niyo na po. Sir Jonas of Unisol, kailan ka magpapakita sa The Big Picture, ha? Ilan na ako? Nakaka-39 guests na ako. Baka pwede ka nang lumabas at magpakita. Unisol is a proud sponsor of The Big Picture alongside with Puzzle Box BPO Inc., yung ating copper center, and many other brands like Luluran and Telepreneur, Step Back, Creative Voices sa Kapaps. Okay, so Sir Jonas magkita na tayo please. Excited na ako sa eyeball natin. Unisol. Okay, maraming salamat sa pagtutok mga kaibigan. Ito po ang The Big Picture on the new channel. Lagi po kayong mag-ingat. Please be safe. Please be cool. And please be always be blessed. Happy wedding anniversary ulit sa aking mga parents. At magkita-kita po tayo bukas dito pa rin po sa The Big Picture sa The New Channel, alas 7 ng gabi. Bye-bye everyone!